Hi, welcome to Jane's Kitchen. Today we're going to make eggless chocolate chip cookies. Okay. So first off, we want to start off with butter. This is one of my recipes. So we start off with a whole pound of butter. With the butter, you want to add your sugar. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Add my wet ingredients to my butter and my sugar. So this recipe calls for 4 teaspoons of water. And to replace the eggs, because it's a large recipe with a whole pound of butter, and this recipe would normally call for 4 eggs, but we're using egg replacement, so we're going to use 1/2 cup of milk. Okay. And we're going to use 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. That's your egg replacer right there. Okay. Adding to my wet ingredients is also some vanilla. 4 teaspoons of vanilla. So then we add all this together. Give it a little shake. Let the magic bullet do its thing. You can see what the xanthan gum's done. It's made this lovely material. Looks a lot like eggs after you whip them. So we add all that together. Almost ready to go to the mixer. So I'm ready to do my flour. You use 4.5 cups of flour to this recipe. I like to add all my dry ingredients together as well. So to my flour, I'm using baking soda and also cream of tartar. So it's going to be 1.5 teaspoons of each, cream of tartar and baking soda. That gives you that little more fluff to your cookie. So I've mixed everything together in this bowl. It works out to about 3 teaspoons. Perfect. Set that aside. So then we're ready to go to the mixer. So we're just going to let the mixer do the work for us. Start off nice and slow. Then there we go, high speed. That's the way I like it. Perfect. So once you've got to this stage, that's when you want to add your flour a little bit at a time. Remember, you've got all your other ingredients in here, your cream of tartar and your baking soda. There's no added salt in this recipe. Butter already has salt in it. You don't need to add any more. So once you have your dough mixed, it's all pretty nice here. It's looking good. And we add our chocolate chips. You can use this as just a sugar cookie if you want. Where's the fun in that? So we add about 2 cups of chocolate chips, maybe a little bit more, never less. we go. So you can see the dough is nice and stiff. We'll get some good cookies out of that. Okay. As you can see, I'm using parchment paper. That helps clean things up, ease and speed. And I also use a little ice cream scoop. Makes everything nice and even. With eggless cookies, they do not react the same as other cookies. So I like to flatten them out a little bit. I use my little shot glass, little drizzle of flour, flatten them out. Then they're going to be baked in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Convection oven is 325, also for about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, let's just see what we've got here. There we go. There's your cookies. A little bit hot right now, but I just happen to have the first batch already made. So this is your cookie. They're soft, they're delicious. Perfect. And if your cookies don't quite turn out right, remember, you can always eat the evidence.